Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. This is another update video by my channel called Passive Income Platforms. Today is Monday, June the 12th, 2023. Before we get started, I just want to remind all of you, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. Now, if you like this content, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here on my channel called Passive Income Platforms, please make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Always remember to invest as much as you can afford to lose. And as a disclaimer, always, nothing on my channel is a financial advice, nor the legal advice. It's just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Today is going to be a short video in about almost 2 hours 15 minutes from now, from the time of creating the video. FTC would be launched on PancakeSwap, and you guys are able to buy FTCs, right? Again, not a financial advice. Just do whatever suits your financial needs. Okay, don't over leverage yourselves. In this video, I'm going to show you what the steps are and how we can get benefit of how we can buy FTCs. Okay, just let me share my screen. Wait a second, please. Okay, we need to go to FINTOCH app. Okay, when you're in FINTOCH app, you need to go to this part and the announcement. Just make sure you have the updated version of FINTOCH app. Okay, don't trust anybody releases any sort of address. This is the address. It's been launched by the company. This is the address, right? This is the address. You see it says FTC token on Binance BSC chain token address. Okay, so you need to copy this address, right? We're going to wallet. If you have the updated version, you have this icon already, swap trading. So if you click on the swap trading, right, the PancakeSwap is integrated as part of FINTOCH app, right? We have to add FTC with that address I showed you. You already copied that address, right? We have to add FTC as per shown the address, the contract address over there, right? So the native tokens over here in PancakeSwap are let's say BNB, all these coins that are listed, Cake, BTCB, these are all the native coins, right? But we need to add the FTC contract address that is released by official channel by the FINTOCH app. Just to let you guys know, if you search FTC here, I'm not gonna do that. If you search FTC, you might find some other FTCs. Those are fake FTCs. Okay, those are the scammers FTCs, right? You need to add the address of the FTC address released by company. One more time, we're going to home. We're going to this part. We're going to the FTC address right here. We need to copy this address, right? And go back to the PancakeSwap in wallet, swap trading, right? PancakeSwap doesn't know the FTC, our legit FTC, the company's FTC. Maybe some scammers, they have FTCs already over here, but we have to add our own token into the PancakeSwap, right? So it's just enough to go to right now we have BNBs, we have so many other native coins. So over here, if you click on this or on this, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna click on this. It says search the name or paste the address. Either we can search the name of the particular coin that we're looking for, in this example FTC, but we are not searching the name because we might find some other FTCs which are the fake ones. I'm gonna paste the address that I copied from the company's announcement. Here we go. As soon as I paste it, FTC is here. It's shown, right? So the prompt didn't show me because I already added this coin. If you doing for the first time, it's gonna give you the warning that are you sure that you want to add this FTC, the contract address? You're gonna say yes, and it's and you're gonna click on import. Okay, it didn't show me because I already imported this FTC with the contract address released by FINTOCH Corporation. Okay, so you're gonna choose this one, FTC, right? And you're gonna buy with USDT BEP20, right? USDT BEP20. Basically, and I can click on this to basically swap the location, right? So USDT goes up, FTC goes down, or if I click FTC goes up, USDT goes down, right? So it has to be in this position, USDT. And this USDT, again, one more time, this USDT in PancakeSwap is it has to be USDT BEP20, USDT BEP20, not the TRC20, not the ERC20, not the other ones. This one has to be USDT BEP20, right? So the coin that it's up above this one, we're gonna sell these. The one that it's at the bottom part, we're gonna buy this. Basically, we sell our USDT to buy FTC. If it goes like this, the other way, we're gonna sell our FTC to buy USDT. This is not our case, right? I'm gonna change like this. We're gonna sell our USDT to buy FTC, right? Or for example, to buy BNB, right? We're gonna sell our USDT to buy BNB. But in our case, I'm gonna go back to paste the address again and click on FTC, right? I'm gonna sell my USDT to buy FTC. But wait a second, where's my money? This is not being connected yet. I have to connect it. Click on connect. So for example, Trust Wallet, it's gonna show me the balance. How much I have in this wallet? $1,135 worth of USDT, right? And at the time that the company released the PancakeSwap the FTC start to basically we are able to trade the FTC on PancakeSwap. This is going to be shown at $1 and then fluctuates. Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down, right? But this is my funds USDT BEP20 in my wallet, right? So let me just go back for a second into FINTOCH app. Go back, look at this one. Whatever USDT BEP20 I have in my FINTOCH app, it reflects over there too. So USDT BEP20 1135 and BNB 0.16, right? Let me just go back to this, connect, Trust Wallet. See BNB 0.16 and USDT, if I change to USDT, it's 1135. Basically, these two numbers are reflected of whatever I have in my FINTOCH wallet, right? So basically, it's the same number, right? So why do we need the BNB? We need to have BNB. Because PancakeSwap use BNB as the gas fee. Just remember, you need to have BNB as gas fee, and you need to have USDT BEP20 to purchase FTCs, right? Let me just go back again. So in this case, connect, Trust Wallet. So I have BNB's 0.16, which is equal to $40 something, right? But I'm gonna change this one to USDT, right? Because I want to sell my USDT to buy FTC. Again, address, FTC. Okay, I'm ready to buy in about 2 hours 7 minutes from now, right? So how much of my balance I want to sell USDT and buy FTC? Let's say I have 1,135, 25% of this, or half of this amount, or entire amount, right? Or whatever number that you are comfortable. So I can delete these and put, let's say I want to buy $150, right? Not the total amount. I want to buy $150. I want to buy, let's say, $282. Whatever your desired amount is, as long as you are comfortable to lose, all right? So you gotta make sure you invest as much as you can afford to lose, because we don't know FTC it's going up, skyrocket, or it goes to zero, right? You gotta make sure that you're comfortable if you lose and your investment goes to zero. Anyhow, whatever number you're comfortable with, you're gonna put over here. I'm gonna put max, let's say whatever I have here, worth of FTC. You see, this is rotating because it doesn't know what the FTC live amount dollar value is yet. In 2 hours 6 minutes from now, it's gonna be showing over here, for example, $1, $1.10, $2, $10, 50 cents, right? Whatever number, right? Live number. So two things: slippage tolerance and this part. I decided myself to put on instant 5 and slippage tolerance, which you could put, punch the number yourself, right? You could put at any number. You could choose 0.1, 0.5%, 1%, or any other amount that you decide to do that, right? So I decided to put 25, meaning the transaction goes much faster. If the order book changes, I don't know if you are familiar with the order books, the buys and sells in the order book. So maybe that price that you want to buy FTC or any other coins, it's not available anymore. So basically your transaction doesn't go through, right? So this one shows 0.1% up and down. I don't care, just buy it. 0.5% up and down, just I don't care, buy it, right? So in my case, I'm gonna put 25, even if it goes up and down. So my transaction goes through instantly, right? So anyhow, you don't have to do this. Just do your own due diligence before you put your hard-earned money into any platform, and especially with the settings, right? So again, one more time: connect, trust wallet, whatever BNB and USDT I have in my FINTOCH app is reflecting over here. So with BNB, I have nothing to do. It's just, I topped it up just because I have to fill up the gas, right? I'm gonna choose USDT, and at the bottom, I'm gonna choose the FTC address, right? Click on this one. It's ready. I already set up my slippage, right? I already set up my slippage, 25 instant, and I'm ready. As soon as in 2 hours 4 minutes FTC releases, I'm gonna enter the amount, buy, right? So same thing with the sell. If you want to sell, I'm gonna click on this and switch the location. So FTC goes up, meaning I want to sell my FTCs, and USDT is down. I'm gonna sell my FTC to buy USDT, right? And then slippage, same thing, enter amount, right? It would be, that's it. Very simple, very simple. So in my case now is like this: USDT at the top, I want to sell to buy FTC. I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you like this content, please share this video for whoever they are confused how to buy from PancakeSwap. Do they need a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, or any other wallet? How you're gonna set up the slippage, this and that. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you like this content, please make sure you hit the like button and share, and put your comment section below if you have any question. Share this video with your friends. Hopefully this is beneficial to them too. That's it for now. If you have any question, please put in the comment section below. That's it for now. Again, I want to thank you all for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the ring bell to notify when I upload a new video and talk about other opportunities. It's a pleasure to be able to bring incredible platforms to you guys to help you guys to increase your portfolios, diversify it, and earn potentially additional stream of income. Exactly 2 hours from now, FTC would be listed on PancakeSwap, 2 AM Singapore time and 2 PM Eastern time, right? Okay, thank you so much and see you next time.